Hello everyone. I used to have bird poop issues at my backyard a lot, but I tried everything. I tried the owl, as you can see here, over here. I tried that. That doesn't work. I tried some other stuff and it didn't work. But this this one over here, which is the BirdXPeller Pro, this one works. So what it does is it it's got like sounds of birds that are in distress, and when other birds hear that, they panic and they fly away. So I'm telling you folks, this is the only one that works. You can adjust them on which recording you want to play, but if you're gonna put this in your home and you have neighbors, make sure it's very low, all right? Because here I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Okay, let me turn it off. I want to turn it on. You guys hear that? You hear that? So me, I just put it at a low. Now, this is, I think, more on the industrial side. They use it in farms or whatever, but it works. But like I said, if you are just using it for your home, lower down the volume like that. Make it low like that. It should be good. All right, folks. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See ya.